Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve out of date on TikTok. To know how to fix or how to solve out of date on TikTok app, you should just go to settings as you see and you can click. Here you will enter to apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you will enter to the window or to the app of TikTok and you will enter here. After that, in this page of app info you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again. And in the end, you can go to Play Store. You can search about TikTok. If you will find your update, you can update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for watching.